Hey guys, my name is Shaztek and welcome to today's video where I'll be ranting about Apple users' logic. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to leave a like on it and subscribe for more daily tech news. Right, so the first point I want to make is people can't justify spending $1,980 or £2,000 on the Galaxy Fold because of the so-called problems it's got, yet they can justify spending $1,500 on an iPhone XS Max that looks the same as last year's, does the same thing as last year's, has a higher price with lower features, and degrades over time. Right. That makes sense. So why not just spend $400 more and buy a product that's going to revolutionize how smartphones are down the line? You simply can't put any point of argument if you're going to spend $1,500 on a phone that looks the same, just like the $1,000 one, and yet start bashing a product that is just $400 more that your company hasn't made and probably won't for the next 5 years. You've got no point for argument there. So please stop hating on the Galaxy Fold or Samsung, because at least they're trying. So you go ahead, you go and spend your $1,500 on an iPhone that looks the same, and then come back to me arguing that the $1,900 Galaxy Fold is expensive. Take a look at yourselves, people. Take a look at yourselves. Samsung users defend their products because they know what's right. They know that what they're getting is right, it's correct, it's worth it more than Apple products. Every single year, a feature gets taken away by Apple, yet they make the price higher. They use the same shell, they use the same body as the other iPhone X's, and they put it into the new ones just so that they can get rid of the old one and sell it to you at a higher price. And you're still going to buy it because it still has that Apple logo on it, so you're going to buy it. To those Apple users who say that Android phones are slower than iPhone, let me tell you this. Why did the Samsung Galaxy S10 get rated higher than the XS Max? Because it's faster. Don't ever say that an Android phone is slower than iPhone, because the Samsung Galaxy S10, which just came out 2 months ago, is rated faster than the XS Max. It takes better photos, it can do more, it's got more customization, it's fluid, it's fast. Why would you hate on Android and Samsung users for having what they have? What Samsung users do is defend their company because they know what they're getting. Unlike Apple users who just put blinkers on and spend the same amount of money on the same product that looks the same as last year's, has the same shell, has the same case, yet you can go and buy a Galaxy Fold, which is going to be the future type of smartphone, for just $400 more and get a product which is way better than yours. Stop hating on the Galaxy Fold, stop hating on the S10, because you have no point of argument. At least Samsung is trying, but your company isn't. I've been Shaztek, and thanks for watching.